How to create text echo effect in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Titles, and drag a text plus in timeline. With the text selected, open up Inspector panel and change text styles to your liking. Click on the Shading tab, and uncheck Element 1 Enabled checkbox. Select Element 2, enable it, change the color to white, and set thickness to 0.01. Click on this button to open the text on the Fusion page. Select Template node and press Shift plus space. Search for duplicate and add it. Set number of copies to 5. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to size to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 15 and increase size a little bit to add another keyframe. Move playhead to frame 30 and set size back to 1 to add another keyframe. Now open up Spline panel and check the template checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Click on this button to set the animation to loop for the entire length of the composition. Also, you can change the text color to get a different look. Now go back to the edit page.